Ritch Robin, Gator Pit, Texas, Custom Barbecue Pits. We got the Katy High School Tigers, brand spanking new Gator Pit smoker for their school barbecue competition team with the FFA program here. Katy High. Let's check out this pit, guys. You got a 24-48 with a 24x24 firebox, all 1/4 inch thick steel. You got your Katy Tiger logo there, the Tigers. You can see the Katy cut out in there. We got door counter weighted inside. We got tuning plates and slide meat racks. And we have our sponsors here on the side of it here. Concrete Inc., XXL Construction, Katy KFC Council, number 6950. Let's get on the other side there and get the other sponsors as well. Over here we got the Katy FFA Booster Club. We got Slab Works out here in Katy, and we got Remax, Kyle Rossler with Remax out here. These are all sponsors that contributed to this nice cooker for the kids, as well as, of course, Gator Pit doing their part. Again, Katy High School Tigers barbecue competition team. The students are going to love this, and I wish them success at the competitions coming up next school year. I'm Ritch Robin. Check us out at gatorpit.net. See ya.